Hey Fit Fam, today I'm going to show you how to do a lat pull down. Stay tuned. First off, we're going to start with the hand placement. You don't want to put it too close because that may cause your elbows to flare out. Next, you don't want to place it too wide because that limits your range of motion. Finally, you want to put it slightly further than shoulder width apart. This is the ideal hand placement for the movement. Next, we're going to start with bad form. You don't want to bring the bar behind your neck because that puts unnecessary stress on your shoulder joints and rotator cuff. A lot of people do this in the gym and do not get hurt, but why put yourself in a slight chance of getting hurt because of improper form? Just don't do this at all. Next, jerking the weight back using momentum to pull it. When you do this, you are strengthening your momentum muscles instead of the actual muscles you want to target. You see people increasing the weight, but then there's just more momentum to carry the weight. You don't want this to happen. After is doing half reps, not bringing the weight all the way down. You're not get the full activation when you do it like this. Remember, full range of motion. Sitting too upright and bringing the weight in front of you is not the most optimal way of doing a movement. I'll show you more optimal placement later in the video. Now time for the good form. Slight lean back and pulling towards your chest. Remember, not too upright, slight lean back. Next, pulling with your elbows. In most pulling movements, you should try to pull with your elbow. This helps activate your back, get the mind muscle connection going on. Have a slow and uncontrolled movement. This is the opposite of jerking the weight. Remember, have everything under control, get the full squeeze in your back when you're going down, take your time bringing it up, and just have good form overall. I guarantee you'll get way better muscle development like this than jerking the weight. As I said prior, get the full range of motion. Don't half rep this trying to ego lift. Come all the way up, then all the way down. All the way up, take your time, then bring it back down. If you found this video helpful at all, please like, share, and subscribe. And hey, love what you do. If you don't like it, why are you doing it?